Hi mga lalabs! Good afternoon, good afternoon. Tita Inday, the forehead is very duckle. Yes. Okay. Sus, ginoo ko. The white hair is super dapar. Pero it's okay lang yan. Mga lalabs, okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my LS. Diyan lang kayo. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my LS. Good afternoon, mga dear. Hmm? Andyan ba kayo, mga lalabs? Good afternoon, everyone. Ang tanda ko na talaga, super dapper, daming white hair ni Tita Anday. Welcome to my LS. Hi! So, mega shout out kay Prissy May Vlogs. Watching from, saan ka nga ngayon, Palangga? Indonesia ka ba? Indonesia ka ba, baby? Mega shout out to you, dear. Qatar po. Qatar po, Langga. Okay, kumusta? Anong oras ba dyan sa Qatar, baby? Sim lang ba ang oras dito sa sa Qatar kag sa Taiwan? Mega shout out to you, dear. 10:20 a.m. Okay. Umaga pa pala dyan. Nakapag-almusal ka na ba? Dito sa Dyan din. Dyan din po yung sister ko sa Taiwan. Saan siya dito, Langga? Crazy May Vlogs. Thank you sa dalawang tao dito sa bahay ni Teta Inday. Di ko lang alam. Okay. Di ko lang alam. Dugay ra ka diha sa diha sa Qatar. Mega shout out sa taga Qatar. Kumusta mga Qatar? Mga langga-langga ko dyan sa Qatar. Kumusta kayo dyan? Ito si Lola Bess. Si Lola Dubs. Kumusta taga Qatar? Mega shout out taga Qatar. Super dami na akong white hair, mga loves. Tapos na po ako, tita, sa Samsung. Okay. Salamat ng marami, loves. Salamat sa imong gihatag nako nga ayuda. Gahapon gani ako naghatag sa imo. Agahapon ba yon? Kahapon or nung isang araw pa yon? Nagabigay ako sa'yo ng ayuda. Napulo ka oras. Bisaya jud ba? Bisaya, bye. Mega, mega, shout out. Yes, thank you so much for the 3 million people in my house. Salamat ng marami to the 3 million people in my house, mga lalabs. Kung sino man hindi nagatamsak dyan. Ay nako, Ginoo, Inday, kadugay pa kaayo. Hi, Bronos Vlog. Hi, mega shout out to you watching from USA. Ayan, bigyan kita ng magandang jacket, Brono Lalabs. Hi, dear. How are you, Brono? Long time no see with you, dear. I hope that you can join my LS for quite long because quite long already I never saw you. How are you, dear Brono? Hi, dear Brono. Can you give thumbs up to host, please? Thank you. Hi, ate. This is Brono. It's 3:24 a.m. here in USA. How come until now you never sleep? Hi, Brono. Where have you been? You got a concert again, is it? Because I always watch your video. I just arrived. Ah, okay. How's your night, dear? Well, thank you so much that you saw my LS today and for joining. Thank you so much, dear. You take care always. Mega shout out to Brono's Vlog 24K watching from USA. Mega shout out to you, dear Brono. Coming from Bisaya girl, made in Philippines, but anyway, here in Taiwan. Mega shout out to you, Brono's Vlog 24K, and also to Crazy Me Vlogs watching from Qatar. Mega shout out to you, the two of you. I hope there's some people also come and join. My night of travel was tiring. I'm looking for a 24-hour restaurant but no luck. Okay. Welcome po, Langga. Salamat na marami talaga, Crazy Me Vlogs, Langga ko. Sa So the World, thumbs up. Hi. Kung for those who are not got friendship yet, can you please be friendship to each other? Hi, Saso to the world. I give you a jacket. Ayan. Thank you so much for joining my LS today. Brono Vlog 24K, say hello, Crazy Me Vlogs. Hi everyone. Mega shout out everyone and good afternoon to all my relatives, friends, Visaya. To all the Bisaya people, maing hapon kanatong tanan. To the Tagalog, magandang hapon sa lahat. To those people that they cannot understand Tagalog or Bisaya, good afternoon everyone. To all my followers, listener here in Taiwan, Tatsia Oan, Tatsia Ni Hao. Ayan, good afternoon everyone. Mega shout out to you, Saso to the world. I give you a jacket already. Thank you. Thank you so much. Mega shout out everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining my list today. I hope everything will be alright. God bless everyone. Mega shout out. Hi Bruno. Are you still there? Ticker always there. Sasu, are you there? Ate, I like your accent. I'm one of those Philams who only speak English. Please forgive me. No, it's okay, dear. I do my best. I do my best, dear Bruno. But Tita Inday want to say apologize also if my how to say my English grammar is not much perfect because I just only a high school graduate. I am very sorry about that, but I do my best. Okay, I hope that you slowly understand my English grammar. Thank you so much, dear Bruno. Tita Inday, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Sorry. Really sorry about my English grammar because my English grammar is very poor. No, don't be sorry. Your English is fine. Thank you so much, dear Bruno. Thank you so much. Every time I saw your upload video, I am really happy about that. That time your unboxing about all your hat, I am really like every time of your videos. I hope, dear Bronos, that you can join me. My LAs are quite long, okay? This is the first time that you join my LAs, you know. I am really happy about to see you here. You see my grandma. Would you like a hat or two? Yes, of course. If you give me, why not? If you don't mind, if you give me, why? Because if you give me one of your hat collection, then of course. Yes, Lola is in behind me, but now she went to outside. You know, dear Bruno, you can speak some Tagalog also, right? I know that you got much Filipino people also that teach you how to speak Tagalog. I am really. Send me your. Sure. Then how to? Can I? How to do? Really, dear, how to do? Oh, send me your email. Can you give me how to? Can you teach me how to do, dear Bruno? Because I got no idea how to do that. No, don't say that. No, you can speak Tagalog. Can you try? Maayong hapon or magandang hapon. Magandang hapon means good afternoon. Can you see that? Okay, later on wait. You wait for a while. Okay. I go and take something. I know that you can speak Tagalog. I know that. Try your best. Hi Daniel, how are you? Yes, I have. Yes, I have dear Bruno. Okay, I need to do that. Okay. How are you, Daniel? Good afternoon to you, dear. How is your day? Magandang hapon din sa'yo, Daniel. I'm doing fine. Then how about you? Are you doing also fine? Bruno, dear, don't leave me, okay? I hope that you can stay with me first. Because I really miss your laugh of your vlog. No, it's okay. It's okay. You can learn about Tita Inday because Tita Inday is very talkative. You know Tita Inday, Lola Inday, grandma at Tita Inday. You know that? Tita Inday really. Wait. Thank you so much, dear. Mega shout out everyone to Bruno's vlog, Chrissy May vlog, to Danielle. Mega shout out everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Dear Bruno, after my LS, later I give you something, okay? I send you my I give you some saging. I give you some ate, I only recently. No, you can speak Tagalog. I do that. I also want to learn Bisaya and Ilongga, but it's difficult for me to comprehend. Same with me also. You can see my mouth when I talk a language, when I speak language, but I cannot straight away to speak it out because like really I'm very shy, or I just want to learn, or I do my best because I am really shy also if I got some follower or listener watching me. You see, I am really shy. You see, my face is like, you know, but I really do my best to talk of English grammar. Sick Daniel said, Secure is your Visayas? Yes, dear Daniel, Secure is my Visayas. Is my hometown. Sorry. Secure is my hometown. I live in Siquijor province. Yeah. You are most welcome to, you are welcome. You are invited to come in my hometown. Yeah, you are. And also to your dear Bruno. You can visit also. You are welcome also to come in my hometown, Siquijor. Siquijor, the island, the ano, isla, the island of Figo. Really, what, Daniel? Bruno, dear, are you still there? Are you still watching of Tita Inday? I know you keep laughing at me now in front of you, in front of your camera. Because you keep laughing of me because of my white hair, but I don't care about this. Anyway, I'm grandma already. Wow. But you know the white hair is like, it's not about the age, right? But no, for me. But I don't care about. Mega, mega shout out everyone. Good afternoon, good afternoon. How are you, dear? Danielle? If ever come to the Philippines, I've never live. I'll never live. Why? Why, Bruno? Why, dear? I live. I live and die and why? Why you see that? I live and die in Philippines. If I ever come in Philippines, I'll never live. Why? You need to live there, okay? You can stay in Philippines, you know, dear. They got so much of American people stay in Philippines. Daniel, how is your day? Because I feel like I need to be around my own people. Ah, okay. It's okay, dear Bruno. I understand. Even you're not, if even you're not willing to stay in Philippines anyway, but if you can say Tita Inday, I know that you are happy also. What? Even I am not one of your family, but I am one of your best friend. You know, you are you are also invited to my hometown, Madrid host. But I got no money to go there. Sorry. I am really want to, but you do know that I'm 100% Filipino? Um, yeah. I heard, you know the, you know dear Bruno, I think your mama is a Filipino, right? Bruno? Your mama is Filipino. Pinay. Your mama is Pinay. If I'm not mistaken, that time is you know, banig. Is that banig? No, no, not is banig. You know, Bruno, every time I saw your upload videos, even if I'm tired, but when I saw your videos, you keep laughing, all your jokes, I am I am happy too. No, both of my parents are Filipino but born and raised in Hawaii. Ah, okay. But now you're in a USA, right? Thank you for sharing about. Daniel, are you still there? Mega mega shout out everyone. Tamsak Dan. Thank you so much, Daniel. Really, really, you can speak Tagalog. You also, Bruno, you can speak Tagalog. You do it slowly, okay? You try your best. Me too, I do my best how to speak English. Even my English is no good. But I do my best, dear. I don't care about the people. Hindi po. No, you can. Okay, I know you're laughing now while you're drinking your coffee. I know that. Be careful when you drink your coffee at this time. Bruno is a good Tagalog. Yeah, because you know Daniel, Bruno is the Filipino also. Ay ambot sa imo oy. Oh, baby, you see? You can speak, right? Daniel, what's up, brother? Daniel vlog say, Daniel, what's up, brother? Bruno si ay ambot. Ay ambot sa imo dodong oy. Ano obra mo man karon dara, Bruno? Ano obra mo gali haw? Daniel say, what's up, bro? Yes, I am very, very happy to see these two guys in front of me. Mega, mega shout out the two of you. I hope the two of you guys are still watching me after until my video is. I don't think so. If you can stay until my LS until 2 hours. Tita Inday, really, really happy to see you there. Even the two of you is not happy to see my face. But Tita Inday is really, really happy to see. What's time is in Hawaii? I'm trying to stay awake, but I'm still unpacking my luggage. Now, later on, then you pack your luggage, dear. Can you please try to concentrate to watch my face first, dear Bruno? Okay, okay, Bruno, dear. If you don't want to concentrate to watch of Tita Inday, LS, later on you miss me, okay? I'm just kidding, dear. And in Sikihor. No, no, I'm not in Sikihor now, dear Daniel. I live in, anyway, I'm from Sikihor province, Isla de Fuego, but from this time, from this moment, no, I'm in Taiwan. I'm in Taiwan now. Working as an OFW. I look after the old woman. I'm very far from my family. But I am watching you, haha. That's why it's taking me so long. Thank you so much, dear lalabs. Thank you so much, Langga, Bruno's vlog. Where are you in Taiwan? I'm in Taoyuan, Daniel. Thank you so much, dear Bruno. Tita Inday, lalabs. Thank you so much for watching me. I know that you are tired now. You feel sleepy, but I know the one of your hand is doing your clothes to unpacking that, but your eyes still keep moving to watching me. I'm just kidding. But even I'm not beside you, but I can feel it. You know? I am right. I am right, dear Bruno. That one of your hand is doing unpacking of your clothes. But your eyes is with me on your camera. Hi, Henry Peterson. Hello, Chinese people. Hi. Mega, mega shout out to you. Hi, Henry Peterson. Oan. Ni hao. How are you, dear? How are you, Henry? Hi, Yamski TV. Mega, mega shout out to you, dear. How are you, dear Yamski? Hello, I'm Japanese. Oh, okay, you're Japanese. Are you Japanese, Daniel? Hi, Yamski TV, dear. How are you? Langga, I really miss you, dear Yamski. Thank you so much for joining my list today. Bruno say, Daniel, it's 9:48 p.m. in Hawaii, but right now I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina, USA, where it's 3:48 a.m. on Sunday. How are you, Henry? Ni hao. Yamski TVC, okay lang po. Nagluluto ako, ate. Ba't aga mo nagluto, dear? Yamski lalabs. Congratulations to you, dear. To become a monetization na. Thank you so much everyone for joining my LS today. Ni hao, I'm not Chinese. I'm from America. Oh, okay, Henry. I thought you are Chinese. No, I'm not Chinese. I am Filipino, but I can speak a little bit of Chinese language because I am here in Taiwan for 10 years. Yeah. Hilin Pait, idol. Hi, Langga. How are you, Hilin Pait? Mega shout out to you. Tita Inday give you a jacket. Yeah. Thank you. Mega shout out everyone. Tita Inday. Say thank you so much everyone for joining my list today. And Tita Inday want to apologize also my English grammar because my English grammar is very poor. But anyway, thank you so much. Hilin Paet, Tita Inday give you a jacket already. Mega shout out to you, dear. Daniel say the people in Taiwan speak Chinese or Taiwanese. Taiwanese, Hokkien, got so much of language here in Taiwan. Daniel, dear. Mandarin. Yeah, Mandarin. Thank you so much everyone for joining my LS today. Tita Inday, really appreciate it. Thank you so much everyone. Mega shout out to you, Henry. Nice meeting you, dear Henry. How are you? I hope everyone is doing fine. She is North Korean. Who is Korean? Daniela loves. Who is Korean? She is North Korean? No. Hello, I'm Japanese. Who is Korean, dear Daniel? Hello, Chinese people. Ni hao. How are you, Henry, watching from America? How are you, dear? You are North Korean and I'm Japanese. Oh, okay. No, down here, you are North Korean and I'm Japanese. No, down here is China. China. Taiwan is China, dear Daniel. Henry Peterson say hello, friend. Mega shout out to you. Henry, hi. Helen Pait, are you still there, dear? Mega shout out to you. Thank you so much to the 6 million people in my house and for the thumbs up for Tita Inday. Mega shout out everyone. Thank you so much. Is Bruno dear still there? Or still unpacking their clothes? Dear Bruno, kababayan, wag mo naman akong iwan. Oh, ito naman si Bruno, my lalabs. How did you get Lola to stay in Taiwan? You are so blessed. Like 2010, my first time I apply here in Taiwan as a OFW. Then, first time, my first employer, I look after the 3 kids. Then the next employer is this one. I look after Ama. I look after this Ama for 7 years. My first employer, I worked down there for 3 years, and I look this old woman for 7 years. Me and Ama is almost same. You see the white hair. Again and again and again, dear. So that's why if you give me some of your hat, your collection, so I every day maybe seem like of you every day that I need to wear your hat that you give it want to give it to me. Then my how to say my white hair cannot see anymore. But it's okay for me. This Ama, the grandchildren, take me as a how to say caretaker of her grandmother. That's why. Yes, I am blessed to stay here. Do you have any plan to go in Philippines to vacation? La loves Bruno. Watch my unboxing videos and choose whatever you want. Really? You know, I always watching the one. I really love. You got 24, I think. I am right. You still put the phone in the plastic bottle? No, now, you know, dear Daniel, I will tell you first. Did you remember that time, baby, Daniel, did you remember that I used my empty bottle of milk, a fresh milk bottle that I use for the, how to say, you see la, you make my tongue twist already. Did you remember that time? Then one of my viewers, so that I'm using that one. Then I think after 3 days, one of my viewers sent it the, how to say, this one. She give it to me because maybe she like, oh, this girl is very poor, how come she's using that one? Really, Tita Inday is really very poor, but for me, I am not ashamed about that one. But until now, I don't want to throw it. I want to keep it as one of my memory. Bruno Vlog say, President Donald Trump won't let us travel outside. Okay. So you need to take care always, okay, dear Bruno? You take care always. We got new friend is coming here. It Clover. Hello, Tita Inday. Kumusta po? Okay lang ako, lalabs. How are you? Ayan. Kumusta ikaw, Langga? Okay lang si Tita Inday. Tita Inday is always beautiful. Oh, I love my own. I know. These two guys over there, Bruno, Daniel, don't laugh of me that I am say that I am beautiful, okay? But anyway, I love my own. O, diba? Kantahan ulit. Ayoko na nga magkanta dito, baby, kasi that time na kumanta ako, baka mamaya masipa na naman ako. I keep talking and keep talking about my LS hair, then later, ayun, masipa ako. Kawawa naman ako, nagsayang lang ako ng laway. Maybe this Bruno, dear Daniel, he never saw about my, how to say, stand rock phone, right? Did you saw it, Bruno, baby? Maybe you never saw it. My hand rock phone. Really? I want to show you, dear. I still keep this one, Daniel, dear, you see? I still keep this one. Yeah. Wait. Did you see it, Daniel? How to say? Bruno, baby? Yeah, this one. You see? Milk, low of fat milk. Ayan. You see? But sometimes I use also this one. You see? That time when I upload this video, most Filipinos hair turn gray very young, so you're as not old as as you say that you are, because you have a young face and young attitude. Anyway, I'm 46 years old already, dear Bruno, but my white hair I don't care about, okay? Because white hair is not like we need to base about the age, okay? Because some of the people got so much of white hair, still very young, right? But my face is still young. Oy, I'm just kidding. Okay? I'm still young and I'm still beautiful, okay? I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is dear Bruno. Yes, this is the one. Your white hair is beautiful and sexy. Maybe you never saw this, dear Bruno, about this stand phone rack. Yeah, I'm using this one, my stand phone rack. I need to put my phone over here. Then I put some wire. Is this called a tie wire or wire? Is this a wire or tie wire? Sorry. Sorry if I'm wrong. This one. So I put my handphone over here inside. Thank you so much, Henry, dear. You're still watching my video. Yeah, I just use this one, the uh, empty bottle of fresh milk. Then I just cut the half of this. I don't think so. Then I just do like that. Then I put my phone. Because Tita Inday really don't have money to buy a hand rack phone. That's why when I saw my employer that he threw this one, so did you see this one, dear? Oh, you see? I'm just doing like this. Okay? Can you see that? Tita Inday is very, this is my DIY. Is that DIY? What? I just see that some people say DIY. What they mean DIY? Like very creative. I am right. Sorry if I'm wrong. So I just do like this, okay? Oh. Then one of the charger wire, then just put here, okay? Or just put inside so I can charge my phone while I keep talking. Then I can keep charging my phone. I really do my best that I can find something that DIY means do it yourself. Okay. Thank you so much, dear Bruno Lalabs. Thank you so much. Tita Inday, really. You know na, Tita Inday is very, but I accepted it. I accept that Tita Inday is very, but don't laugh of me, dear. I accept also that Tita Inday is just a high school graduate. Then I am not much, na. Because that time, when I'm studying, I just study in, we need to go to school about, like, in 1 week is Monday to Friday, but I just go to school 3 times a week because sometimes we got nothing to food to eat, so that's why. Yeah, Tita Inday. No, I am not shy about when I talking about my past or who am I. No, I am not. I am proud to be. I am not to be shy. I shy of what? Daniel say yes, she looks like she takes care of herself. Yeah. Got so much people say like, I got 3 grandchildren already, dear Daniel. Lalabs Bruno, yeah. I got 3 grandson already. Grandchildren. Thank you so much everyone for joining of Tita Inday today. Thank you so much. Tita Inday, I really appreciate it. But I just want to say, sorry everyone that they don't catch up about my English grammar. Because Tita Inday really, but I hope everyone, can you forgive me about my English grammar? Can you, everyone, please understand my English grammar? Because Tita Inday, really. But I do my best what, I really do my best to talk English. Mega shout out everyone. Having grandchildren is a wonderful and beautiful thing. Thank you so much, dear Bruno. I know Sir Bruno is you're still how to say? You're still very young. Your accent tickles me. I know I tickle my grammar to you because I know I can feel you now that you keep laughing of me. My English grammar is very. But Tita Inday say want to say sorry what? Sorry. Can you please forgive me? Please forgive me, Grandma, okay? I know. Please forgive me, dear Bruno. Sir Daniel, are you still there? Henry Peterson, hi dear. You're still watching of Tita Inday? Hi Yamski, 888 Clover, are you there? Please don't leave me, guys. Please. Please join me. So much people say, when you do live stream, your phone, can you please don't put like in front very much. You need to, how to say, like ilayo mo ng konti. How to say that? Sorry, my English got no more already. But your Filipino accent is not really strong. You don't mix up. Yeah. Be no really. No, you know really, baby, Bruno, lalabs. My Filipino accent is like, especially Tagalog. I'm I am not much perfect about to speak Tagalog also because I am Bisaya, you know, Bisaya. No, it's not really strong. You don't mix up yours. Yeah. Sorry, dear Bruno. Please do this for me. Yes, I know. I don't want to speak. I know. Please forgive Tita Inday, okay? I do my best to speak English. Yeah, I don't want to speak now. Sorry. Please forgive Tita Inday. Bruno, dear. Can you please forgive Tita Inday? Okay, I do my best. I don't want to speak Tagalog now or Bisaya. Can you? Can you please forgive to Tita Inday? Please. Yeah. Daniel, I know that you're still there. Oh. What other dialect do you speak? Tagalog, Bisaya, Ilonggo. You know Ilonggo like Ilongga. Kumusta ka na ikaw? Oh. Or I need to speak language? Oh. Sinsay niyaw so sama. Niyaw ni chang ka ma. Oh. Can you? Nicho Paula Mea. Daniel dear. Bruno dear. Nicho Paula me. Sinsay niya ka ma. Bruno Daniel. I thought Ilongga is... No! Baby dear, Bruno, Ilongga is a language. Like Ilongga is a boy. Ilongga. When you say Ilongga like boy, no, girl. But Ilonggo. Ilonggo is a boy. Ilonggo. Ilong is a nose, okay? My nose is very flat. But anyway, even my nose is flat, but I am happy to, so that I can breathe. Hi dear. Right? No. Ilongga. Ilongga is a language. Ilongga. My sister has a flat Filipino nose. Really? But how come your nose is very, you know, super, your nose is very, how to say, very long. Look at my nose. Look at the nose of Tita Inday. Very flat. But even my nose is very flat, but I'm still pretty anyway. I love my own. You laugh again. You laugh again, right? Every time when I do like that, I know that you keep. You laugh again, right? I know. I know you tickle again. Now you're ticklish. What are you doing now? Bruno, you're still packing your clothes, dear. Or you pack up everything already? What? I was told that I have Ilocano features on Zamboanga hair. Oh. No, Ilocano and this Zamboanga also is a different language. Ilocano, I don't know how to speak Ilocano. And also this Zamboanga language, that one. I don't know how to speak that language. I just know how to speak like Tagalog, Bisaya, Chinese, English, just a little bit. Just you really, that time I worked in Singapore also before for 6 years. That's why I slowly know how to speak English language, because that time when I work in Singapore, the people down there speak English, so that's why. Sa Bacano, Sambuanga, I don't think so. Sambuanguinho. I don't know. Sa Bacano, Sambuanga. Can you give me an example about Sambuanga language? How to? Because I don't know. Please share your uh, Sambuangueño language, dear Bruno. Share to Tita Inday, please. Oh. Can you? Bruno, dear. Please share it. Spending my life right on my finger. Chavacano. Chavacano. People speak Sabuanga people speak Chavacano, right? I don't know about. Oh, I don't know how to speak Chavacano, but I heard that is similar Spanish. No, like Spanish is like, is that the Spanish is like uno, dos, tres, cuatro? Is that the one? Spanish, is that the one? Spanish is uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Buenos dias. Amigo, amiga. Oh. Amigo means you is a boy. Amiga is a girl. Bro, no, you are my amigo. Even, like, even the time that I not using a YouTube channel yet, when I saw your song, all your, you know, I always saw you. I really love your joke. You are my idol, promise. That's why that time that when I saw your YT studio, I never times to send you a message. That's why thank you so much that you accept me as one of your friend. Thank you so much, Jeff, for accepting me of Tita Inday. What? Yeah. Really, what? No, really, promise. I'm not kidding. You know, really, when that time that first time that I start my YouTube channel, really, I'm not kidding. I am serious, really, dear Bruno. First time that I start my YouTube, maybe by February, February. Then, when I saw your, like, video, then, really, then I say, can you be my friend? Then, I am really happy also that you accept it. Then I keep, even the, you never responding my reply when I saw your video. I do a comments because I know that you are busy, but it's okay. When I saw all your videos, when the time you're walking, when you go to these places, eating, have some coffee, unboxing all your videos, you know, all your hats. You got so much of videos that I always following it. Really. Tita Inday really happy when I saw all your videos. The way when you talk, then you keep talking when you are walking on the road. Tita Inday really, even that time that I'm not using as a YouTuber, really, Tita Inday, really, dear, I'm not kidding. I'm not really. Tita Inday really always, that time when I saw your videos in YouTube, really, then that time when I saw your YouTube channel, oh, this a YouTuber? Because that time when I saw your video, I don't know that you are a YouTuber also, because that time I'm not a YouTuber also, because I just a new YouTuber. That's why when I saw your YouTube channel, really. No, got some also that you never, but it's okay, dear. It's okay. Tita Inday, when I saw your video already, is I am very happy to see it. Don't you worry, dear Bruno. Tita Inday really happy when I saw. Dito lang ako, tita, nagluluto ng hapunan. Ah, okay, dear. Really, dear Bruno. Tita Inday, really, really happy. Now, really, I am very happy because this is the first time. How many times that I doing my live stream? This is the first time that you join me. Yeah, I really, really not imagine that you can join my LS today. Really, my idol. You are my hero, my idol, my really, really dear. I know that we never see it to each other, but really promise, Tita Inday, from here, you are my idol ever since. Even one of my friend, I talked to my friend also that, Bruno is one of my dear in YouTube. He's one of my YouTuber, one of my subscriber. Then my friend said, "Oh really? How did you get with him as a subscriber of your YouTube channel?" Then I tell everything about my friend. That I send like I invite you to become my friend. Really. Thank you so much, dear Bruno, for accepting my request. Thank you so much. Really, really. Tita Inday really appreciate it. Especially now, you join my LS, really. Even that I cannot see you, you is only see with me in your phone, your laptop now. I know that you keep, how to say, you keep watching me while I'm talking about you. Really, Tita Inday, really, really. Promise. You're always welcome, dear Tita Inday. Really, really say thank you so much. I am really, really happy. Even my face or my grammar, really, especially my grammar, really. I don't care about my face, but now my eyes are getting drowsy. I'm so sleepy. Okay, dear. Take a rest. Tita Inday, say God bless you always. More blessings to come. Thank you so much for joining my LS. Later on, after my LS, I will give you a letter. Okay? You know now. Later, after this LS of mine, don't you worry about Tita Inday. Tita Inday always there for you to support your, you are my idol, promise. Promise, idol kita. You are my idol. Have a good rest, dear Bruno. Take care always, okay? Sleep well. Again, mega shout out to you, dear Bruno. Mega shout out to you, dear. Okay, let's keep in touch. More often, enjoy the rest of your days. Stay safe. Thank you also so much, dear Bruno. Yes, Tita Inday, later on, I will give you. Thank you so much, dear. Again, mega shout out to you, dear Bruno. Vlog 24K, mega shout out to you. To It Clover, mega shout out to you, dear. Kay Daniel, mega shout out to you, Daniel. To Henry Peterson, mega shout out to you, dear. Kayamski, mega shout out. Shout out everyone, mega shout out. Again, dear Bruno. Take care always, dear. Tita Inday, really say thank you so much for joining my LS. God bless you always. Mega shout out everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Mega shout out. May kasama pa ba ako dito? Now I can speak Tagalog or Bisaya now because of one of my idol, Bruno. Now he want to sleep already because USA time is almost 3 a.m. I don't think so. That's why he need to take a rest. Thank you so much everyone. Mega shout out to Mimi Bios. Where are you now? Thank you so much for the 3 million people in my house and for the 5 thumbs up for Tita Inday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. Mga lalabs, are you still there? Mega shout out to Ate Glads, Giselle Golagola, Kuya Art, Sonora Aklan, to Rakiteras Vlog, Variety Friends. Mega shout out everyone. Mega shout out to Manang Biday. Hi dear, Manang Biday, to Julie Dugaw. Mega shout out to you, bunso ko. Gulagola Giselle, how are you, bunso? Mega shout out everyone. Thank you so much na nandito pa sa bahay ni Tita Inday. I got 3 million people nandito pa sa bahay ni Tita Inday. May nagpaiwan pa. Thank you so much. Good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for the 4 million people in my house. Thank you so much everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. Ba't nawala siya? Thank you so much for the 4 million people in my house. Thank you so much. Mega shout out everyone. To all my viewers, to all my listeners, thank you so much. Tita Inday. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much sa 5 million people in my house. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Tita Inday. Really say thank you so much everyone. I hope everyone magpakilala naman kayo dyan kung sino man kayo. Or you just watching me over there. Thank you so much. Mega shout out kay Rosalyn Gumahad dyan sa Netherlands. At saka kay Gina Peterson, Netherlands din. Mega shout out to you. Mega shout out everyone. Hi, biyahing ka po. Andyan na ang langga ko. Kumusta lalabs? Hello my love, ako'y dumaan lang. Love you my love. Lalabs, where have you been? Saan ka na naman magpunta lalabs ko? Na-miss mo yung mga ngiti ko Kumusta lalabs? Saan na naman ang biyahe mo ngayon lalabs? Biyahing ka po? Hi Kuya Art! Super busy my love. Mag-ingat ka po lagi. Biyahing ka po lalabs. Lakas you so much Tita Inday. Lalakas you so much. Kumusta? Kuya Art lalabs? Pinaano mo na naman ba ako dyan sa palengke, Kuya Art lalabs? Maghanap tayo ng delicious. Wow, ang galing naman. Musta nakatita? Okay ra ko, lalab Kuya Art. Okay kaayo. Miss you too, lalab. Miss you, dear. Ugma pa Tita Inday. Kuya Art, lalabs. Ano naman ang panoorin mo dyan sa sa palengke? Mag-iyakan na naman yung mga tao dyan sa palengke pag napanood yung mga video ko dyan. Lalab, biyahing ka po, mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Hindi ka pa siguro nagtamsa kay Tita Inday. Nabigyan mo na ba na ako ng lansones? Biyahing ka po, my love. Honey, my love, bakit malungkot tayo ngayon? Kasi naman, kanina pa ako nag-antay dito, naggak-ngak. Wala naman tao dyan eh. Ayan, namuti na nga yung ko, mata pati buhok. Mga Elis, Nemo. Santol. Yes, I want santol. Gaya kong santol lalab. Oy, biyaheng ka po lalabs. Kinahanglan magparis no santol. Magsarado na may love. Ano na bang oras dyan? Ba't magsarado na? Maaga pa naman eh. Itim na santol. Ayoko niyang itim na santol. Mahirapan pa ako magbalat niyan. Oo, si pulang santol. Yung pula na lang para ano. Hindi ba? Sabi ni Kuya Art, musta po, biyaheng ka po. Palangga, biyaheng ka po, sabi ni Kuya Art, kumusta ka daw? Lalabyan ng... O, di ba? Kinikilig ka na naman dyan, ano? Mm. Pusila, oda pingyo. Sila, oda pingyo. Sabi ni biyaheng ka po at Kuya Art, I'm very fine. Sila, Meo. Abwe. Chika hai metaw la, hapo ha. Magpalaglag ka at aratsadahin kita. Kuya Art lalab, sabi ni biyaheng ka po, ilapag mo daw yung kubo mo dyan para bisitahin ka niya. Dalhan ka daw niya ng malunggay para magluto ka ng ota na lawoy. Tama ba ako lalabs, biyaheng ka po? Mega shout out po, Jandy Bacos, Boboy Sup, Lolo John. Ano daw? You make me laugh about that one, lalabs. Ipalayo natin ng konti si camera kasi kurap-kurap ng mata ni Tita Inday. Mega shout out to John D. Bacos, Boboy Sup, Lolo John, guwapo. Mega shout out sa... Andyan ba to sila sa sa palengke lalabs? Kuya Art? Andyan ba sila ngayon? Sabihan naman sila na manood kay Tita Inday. Andito si Tita Inday, makita nila ang pagmumukha ko. O di ba? Ito na si Tita Inday, makita niya pagmumukha ko. Pero sa bagay, Kuya Art, lalabs, palagi naman siguro ako makita dyan, di ba? Mga fan ni mo, Tita. O di ba? Alam ko naman tuwing pinapanood mo yung mga video ko, ayan. Nakita nila yung pagmumukha ko, o di ba? Mega shout out everyone sa mga kalalab ko dyan. Saan nga yung lugar nyo, lalab? Kuya Art? Sabi ni biyaheng kapo at Kuya Art, nasa bahay mo na ako. Kuya Art, lalab, andyan na sa bahay si biyaheng kapo. Buksan mo yung pintuan mo kasi may dala daw siya na dinalan kanya ng gulay. Si Lolo John Olitawo o si Boboy Sup, John D. Bacos. Asa gani na sila karon? Unsa gay nga lugar sa inyo Kuya Art lalabs? Baliktad imo video. Ano ba? Ba't nabaliktad ang video ni ni Kuya Art lalabs? Biyaheng ka po, palangga ko. Pag nabaliktad yung video ni ni Kuya Art, pakibaliktad na lang din sa phone mo. Pwede ba yon? O di ba? Para bibo. Nahihilo ka ba? Oo, Tita Inday. Mega shout out sa saan nga yung lugar mo? Biyaheng Kuya Art lalabs. Sabi ni biyaheng ka po, at Kuya Art, ang video mo, Ate Mana. Taga Pikit, North Cotabato. Okay. Mega shout out Sa taga Pikit Cotabato. Oy, kumusta ka mo tanan diha? Maing hapon, taga Cotabato, Pikit Cotabato. Miga miga shout out kay Lolo John, kay Buboy Supsup, kay John D. Bacos. Miga miga shout out to you sa inyo mga palangga. Maing hapon kaninyong tanan nga naglantaw kay Tita Inday karon. Oh, sabi ni Kuya Art, si Lolo John, gwapo kaayo. Yes, miga miga shout out kay John, kay Lolo John, mga gwapo diha. At sabi ni Biyahing Kapo, at Kuya Art, ang video nimo ni Tikig na kaayo akong Lalag, Kuya Art, ang imo daw video di ana. Nagkuan. Nagbaliktad-baliktad. Biyahing Kapo, Palangga, ang imuan na lang kuan. Ayaw pagtuwad-tuwad diha kung maglantaw ka sa video ni Lalab's Art. Kay katawan ka din nagatuwad-tuwad. Mega shout out kay John at mega shout out everyone. Ayan, mega shout out year ones. Thank you so much for watching of Tita Inday. Thank you so much. Mega shout out everyone. Thank you so much sa 5 million people na nandito sa kubo ni Tita Inday at sa 6 thumbs up ni Tita Inday. Ayan, may 6 na ako na lansones. Thank you so much. Biyahing Kapo, andyan ka pa ba, Palangga ko? Sabi ni Biyahing Kapo, Kuya Art, giduslak na nako imong channel ha. Duslak ka po daw niya ako Kalimbaga ang bell hangtod mabuak. Sir Biyahing Kapo, salamat kayo sa paglaag sa ako. Ako lang tika adtuon unya. Kuya Art Lalab, adtua ang balay ni Biyahing Kapo ha. Buotan bila na siya, gwapo pa jud o tinuod na. Hi, Jandy Bacos. Hello po, Tita Inday. Pa-shout out. Kasama kami ni Kuya Art ngayon. Panood ko po namin. Salamat. Palangga, Jandy Bacos. Ayan. Tagaan, takaog, nindot. Kaingasan nina, Jandy Lalabs. Miga shout out to you, Jandy Lalabs. Kay Jandy Bacos, miga shout out to you, dear. Maing hapon sa taga Pikit Cotabato. Yes, miga shout out. Karon nakita na ka ni Tita Inday, o di ba? Si Tita Inday dili kay gwapa pero mahigugmaon nga pagkatawo, o di ba? Ingana si Tita Inday. Nakabalo ko direra ta nakakita, o di ba? Nakita mo na ako karon. Nakabalo ko Jandy Bacos, nakita ka ni Tita Inday karon. Nalipay ka nga nakita sa akong hulagway nga ingon ane, pero mapagmahal si Tita Inday. Sabi ni Biyahing Kapo at Kuya Art, no probs, see you. O, ayun. Sabi ni Kuya Art, Tita, nagpa-regards ang mga gwapo dire. Si Lolo John Salazar dire. Salamat sa lahat. Sa naglantaw ni Tita Inday, miga shout out everyone. To all my viewers in Pikit Cotabato. Ingat kayong lahat dyan. Maing hapon sa tanan sa taga Pikit Cotabato din ha sa merkado. Amping mo kanunay sa pagtadtad sa inyong isda. Pag inyong pagsinggit-singgit sa inyong nga baligya nga unta mahurot ang tanan. Hinaot nga diboy nasun kamo karon nga hapon dinha sa taga Pikit Cotabato nga ang inyong baligya karon mahurot. Mega shout out sa tanan nako nga nagpaminaw din sa taga Cotabato. Mega shout out to you dear Jan D. Bacos. Kay Lolo John Salazar, hi. Mega shout out to you. Sino yan, baby? Lalabs. Si Henry Wakan Supsup. Ayan, mega shout out to you. Ang mga tao diri, sige katawan ni mo, tita. Tinuod. Salamat kaayo, Kuya Art, Lalabs, Palangga, sa introduce ni mo ni Tita Inday. Salamat. Daghan kaing salamat, Kuya Lalabs. Daghan kaing salamat. Sabi ni Jan D. Bako, salamat Tita Inday, happy kami dito ngayon kasi napanood naman ka namin, ganda mo. Salamat. Palangga, Jan D. Bako, salamat. Daghan kaing salamat kanimo Palangga ko. Salamat. Tita Inday, magpasalamat jud. Bisag ingon ani akong dagway, ang kanang uban sa buhok dili na nagtagad sa imo nga pangidaron. Samara na siya sa nahigugma ka sa usa ka tawo. Ayaw pagtagda ang mga uban o kana nagakunot-kunot na nawong. Ang importante ang kanang kasing-kasing, o di ba? O naakay na ton anako no, di ba? Jan D. Bacos, mega shout out to you dear Palangga. Mega shout out to you. Si Tita Inday nag-ingon nga hinaot nga ang inyong badigya kada adlaw dinha sa palengke mahurot kanunay, tagaan mo og kabaskog sa inyong tagsa-tagsa ka panglawas, ipanlikay sa tanang daotan. Mega shout out sa tanan-tanan. Sabi ni Kuya Art, maod jud Tita Inday, maka-inlove daw imong dagway kay buotan. O di ba? Kuya Art, lalab, kabalo man sad ko nahigugmasad ka. I'm just kidding. Baby, I'm just kidding, dear. At Kuya Art, lalabs, kabalo na ka nga si Tita Inday super. Sabi ni Biyahing Kapo at Jan D. Bacos, hello amigo. Jan D. Bacos Palangga, padikit-dikit kay kay Biyahing Kapo. Sabi ni Kuya Art, tita, si Jan D. Bacos. Uy, ayaw po istorya po na Palangga lalabs. Uy, Kuya Art. Luoy ba na siya? Ato na siyang palanggaon. Uy, Palangga, biya tamutanan. Nakabalo biya ko kamo. Si Tita Inday super mapalangga. Palangga tamo, promise. Hinaot mo abot ang adlaw nga magkita ratatanan diha mga palangga. Makauli pohon si Tita Inday. Mo uli ra ko pohon. Maluoy ang Ginoo. Tita, si Jan D. Bacos. Ayaw lagi kay luoy man na siya, uy, palangga man na. Basahan jud Tita Inday. Ikaw jud bitaw Kuya Art lalab. Sabi ni Kuya Art, tita, si Jan D. Bacos pisot pa na Tita Inday, wala pa jud natuli. Ayaw pud ba ingon ana. Lain jud ni kay si Kuya Art. Jan D. lalabs. Pasagdi na lang na siya. Kay bisang ing ana bitaw, pinalangga ba ka ni Tita Inday, promise. Tita, please, para makatawa mitan. Kinay bitaw si Kuya Art lalabs. Kuya Art lalabs. Sige ka diha. Sige kang gakatawa karon. Unya sa gabi bantay ka. Mega shout out sa tawo nga 6,000 na sa balay ni Tita Inday. Og sa 6 ka tawo nga nagtamsa kay Tita Inday. Best friend nako, tita. Makatawa jud ko nimo lalabs oy. Kumusta ka mo tiya tanan? Ako'y Ginoo nang gigil si Tita Inday kay maora jud og kanang duol ra bitaw mo sa ako ah. Nalipay ka iko ba? Salamat ka isa tanan. Ang mga suki namo diri sige katawa karon. Salamat sa taga Pikit Cotabato. Salamat sa inyong paglantaw nako dire. Gikan diri sa Taiwan, gikan ni Tita Inday. Ako magpasalamat ninyong tanan sa kanunayng paglantaw sa akong mga video. Miga shout out sa tanan. Mag-ingat mo tanang taga Cotabato, Pikit Cotabato, mag-ingat mo kanunay. Bisan diri rata sa video, nalipay mo sa ako ang mga video, usahay katong naglantaw sa akong mga video nga medyo emosyonal, nakabalo ko nga nag-andaw mo og trapo para sa mga luha kay ang ako ang uban nga mga video is like kabalo na mo, pero ako sa tinuoray lang dili na ko ikaulaw kung unsa ang akong pagka tawo, akong mga kaagi sa kinabuhi kung like gikan pa ko sa gamay hantod karon dili na ko ikaulaw. Basta ako kung unsa ko mao na jud ni ako adyo tinuod, dili na nako ikaulaw, promise. Ing ani tinuod si Tita Inday. Bisan pa man tuod diri rata nagkaila, nakitaan ko ninyo karon, nakabalo ko, nalipay mo nga naglantaw sad sa ako nga nakatawa o di ba? Kay sa ako na lang mga pahiyom nalipay na mo. Kumbaga, sa ngiti pa lang ulam na, o di ba? Oy, Jan Bakos, alam ko naman na pangiti ka rin dyan eh. Lolo, asan ba si Lolo? Lolo Henry, andyan ka pa ba? Naglantaw pa ba kagihapon? Tita Inday, si Lolo John sa Lazar single jud ni nangita jud siya og wow. Unsa may yang gipangita lalabs, Kuya Art? Unsa gipangita ni mo Lolo John? Nangita kag kasudlan sa imo ang kuan? Sundang di ana, ala Ginoo ko oy. Pagaman ta kauguan kanana ay unsa gani na sakob ana imo ang sundang para na masudlan. Sabi ni biyaheng kapo, hello my love, need ko nang mag-exit for clients meet up. Okay lalabs, biyaheng kapo. Mag-ingat ka, amping kanunay diha, biyaheng kapo Palangga, mag-ingat ka kanunay. Ayaw pagdadaan ng ako ang kana imong gihatag nako nga lansunis ha, kay Ginoo ko lami kay nakauno na imong lansunis, promise. Bahalag lagom-lagom na basta kay ganahan ko mukaon. Sabi ni Kuya Art sa manimo tita, tinuod, sabi ni biyaheng kapo, see you again my love. Basta my love, biyaheng kapo, mag-amping ka kanunay dinha sa imong trabaho. Kung maga-drive ka, dili ka maglantaw ang mga paan ng sinaw-sinaw. Anha paglantaw ang kalsada, mao jud ay huna-hunaa. Hinaot nga ang ako mga advice nimo Palangga kapo, ibutang jud na sa imong alimpatakan. Dili maglantaw-lantaw ang mga gasuot-suot o dinha og mga kuan kay sus Ginoo ko, makadaot na sa pag-drive. Katawan na pud na din na karon. Kuya Art lalabs, nangita jud siya og kuan, pares nako. Ang tinuod jud. Agoy Ginoo ko. Lalabs Kuya Art. Unsa inyong snack din na karon? Miga shout out kay Ate Glads. Kumusta imong barbecue din ha Palangga ko bunso? Kusog ba ang halin? Kuya Art lalabs. Ayan na wala na tuloy si si Jandy Bakos. Palangga Jandy Bakos. Huwag ka na magtampo ni Tita Inday oh. Palangga manggod ka na ako god. Ayan na po. Ayan na pag Ay na pagtampo-tampo kay Palangga man taka. Si Kuya Art manggod o. Jandy lalabs. Ayaw nagkasuko ni Tita Inday. Sige ka, kay magsuko-suko jud ka na. Di jud ta kapalitan unyag lulit pa. Promise. Lami ra ba jud nang lulipap jud? Bantay jud ka na ako. Si Kuya Art man good oy, iya dyan na giaway dyan na si ano. Dyan di Palangga. Ay, nagkasuko ni Tita Inday. Dili dyan na siya nako unya gakuyugon. Dito lang po ako napanood sa'yo. Salamat lang ga. Tita Inday, si Buboy Supso pwede daw siya manguyab nimo si Buboy Supso. Unsa man pagpanguyab gusto man ako personal nga baga ka kita ta sa personal good oy kay lisod man ang ingon ana pud na karon ba o di ba? Hi Jan de Lalabs Bakos. Ayaw na pagkuan na ayaw na suko-suko ni Tita Inday ha kay Palangga mantika. Palangga man po na ako ugod si Lalabs Kuya Art. Palangga jud ta mo. Basta magkita ta puhon ha, basta makauli ko puhon, magkita ta tapos ayun. Sa una pa siya nang tan-aw nimo. Mao ba so ibig sabihin na anak niya Kuya Art Lalabs usa gani na sa English pa di ba min hala na love at first sight jud na siya sa ako anak agay gino gikilig-kilig na pud na siya karon oy nagakilig-kilig ko kadinha no mga joker kaayo sila nakabalo na sad ko ana di na bitaw kana bitaw si Lolo bitaw kana bitaw si Boboy Sop-Sop gasige na sad na siya katawa di ana nakita nako no mesos Ginoo ko angko na lang god. Hi Igwa, Chukaw, Julie Dugaw, buti nakita ko. Hi Palangga, Julie Dugaw Bunso, miga shout out to you dear. Tita Inday, love. Tita Inday, Palangga, kakanunay. Igwa, Chukaw, Julie. Sabi ni Igwa, Julie Dugaw, Happy Blessed Sunday. Ayan. Miga shout out sa taga Hong Kong. Ayan, watching from Hong Kong. Si Julie is galing yan sa Hong Kong. Miga shout out kay Roy Neves. Yes, miga shout out kay Roy Neves. Asan ba si Roy Neves Palangga? Kuya Art. Kuya Art, salamat kayo sa imong pagtubay nako karon ha sa imong nalipay jud si Tita Inday ba nga nakita sa inyo di bisag wa ko kakita sa inyo pero nakabalo ko nalipay mo karon na nakita sa akong dagway nga karon pa mo nakita nako as in jud nga nag-live nakabalo ko nalipay mo mega shout out kay Roy Neves. Hi everyone, baka kwentuhan din tayo mga 5:30 ka magakuan lang ga Igwa. Ako hapit-hapit na kumahuman anay Palangga Igwa Bunso. Mega shout out po sa mga laag okay. Ano yun? Mega shout out po sa mga mulaag okay pick na wala madayon. Kisay nang laag Kuya Art Lalabs. Si Roy Tita among kauban diri. Asa day na sila maglaag. Dili mo magasigig laag-laag paminaw mo ni Tita Inday. Kay si Tita Inday nagpalangga ninyo sa kununay. Ayan, my Lola Bells. Kami dili mo siglaag-laag. Palangga Lalabs Kuya Art, di ba gabi pa ko nag-istorya sa imo akala ko nag-day off ka ngayon, Palangga Igwa. Di ka nag-day off ngayon? Kuya Art Lalabs, ba't parang nahimik na tuloy si Kasi inaway mo kasi si Zandy Bacos Maglaag unta may pero wala na dayon. Di lagi mo maglaag-laag lagi. O sige, kung naglaag-laag mo karon ano Kuya Art Lalabs. Dili ka unta kakita ni Tita Inday o di ba? Siguro dili jud itugot sa panahon nga maglaag-laag ka karon kay kung naglaag-laag ka di ka makita ni Tita Inday. Si John De Bacos dili makita ni Tita Inday. Oh, si Lolo dili makita ni Tita Inday o di ba? Karon nalipay ko kamo nakabalo man sad ko nga pinalangga ko ninyo di ba? Sabi ni Kuya Art si Lolo John Tita regards daw sa imo. Regards daw rebound ko kay ano kay Lolo John. Hi Lolo John, kumusta? Tita Inday, love you. Amping kanunay. Si Bobby Sup Tita Inday. Hi Bobby Sup, kumusta? Palangga ko, Tita Inday, love. Miga shout out to you. Bobby Sup. Palangga, Kuya Art. Kauban sad mo og trabaho ni ano ni Bobby Sup ug ni Lolo? Sabi ni Kuya Art, I love you. Lalabs Kuya Art, Tita Inday, love. Kuya Art, kinsay ngalan ato maitaba nga kauban nimo katong sige katawa. Kinsay ngalan ato niya bibi? Kuya Art, lalab sa sunod bitaw na ako kuan para makatawa mo din ha, malipay mo. Magsayaw-sayaw ko ba? Miga shout out kay Brian Guapo. Taga Piket, Cotabato. Miga shout out kay Brian Guapo. Ayan. Gikan ni Kuya Art. Kay Jandy Bacos. Kinsa na si Brian? Kana ara ba si Jandy Bacos? Tama ako, bibi? Kuya Art? Miga shout out everyone. Salamat, basta salamat. Kuya Art, lalabas mag-amping, bitaw mo kanunay din ha. Paminaw mo ni Tita Inday kay Palangga biyata mo. Mag-amping dyan mo kanunay din ha, promise. Kay kabalo na biya mo karon. Dili na lang nako ikuan kay nakabalo na mo kung sa tinuod. Mag-amping mo kanunay din ha, Palangga. Kay si Tita Inday, bisa na diri sa karon. Si Kobe Bryant, tita. Wow. Idol ba nimo si Kobe Bryant? Mega shout out kay Kobe Bryant. Lalabs Kuya Art. Di ba 5:30 mo uli na ka? Si Bobby Sop Tita Inday ulawan mao ba? Boboy Lalabs. Ayaw ulaw-ulaw ni Tita Inday kay Palangga taka. Promise. Love taka, ayaw ulaw-ulaw din ha. Kay Palangga taka. Mega shout out kay Boboy Sup. Ayaw ka ulaw kay si Tita Inday nagpalangga nimo. So ayaw ulaw-ulaw. Kay si Tita Inday bisag ingon ani ang dagway mapagmahal sa mga tao nga naglantaw sa kanunay. O di ba naa kay ingon adto lalabs Kuya Art o di ba? Ni bisan tuod pa man ing ani ang akong hulagway nga naa ka lang karon sa akong atubangan pero kanunay akong magmahal nimo hangtod sa kanunay. Oh, Kuya Art, lalabs, oh, meron ka bang ganon? Sige nga. O, di ba? Si Bobby Sop Tita Inday, kusog jud mo sup og tahong. No, dili tahong. Dili manggod to siya tahong. Ang kato na ay suso to siya, bibi. Oy, Kuya Art, lalabs, di man to siya tahong. Tahong is no need to sup-sup. Ang katuto siyang suso. Kato bitaw na ay sampot bitaw nga talinis tapos imong ga dokdokon og martilyo or katong pangguna like sa amo sa Bisaya amol katong amol ba katong ba nang ipangguna ba imo to siyang kuanon di ba o di ba may alam pa si Tita Inday sayo Kuya Art Lalabs kay kanang tahong dili na siya sa pensupsopon banisin no, dili banisil lalab. Ito naman siya. Dili ito siya banisil. Kato siyang amol ba? You know, amol? Kato bitaw na lapad bitaw siya nga iana bitaw nga magdugkal bitaw ka sa nga sagbot o di ba? May lola bells. Ayan si Lola. That is my dollar. O ayan ang dolyaris ko. O di ba? Ayaw na pagtampot. Kuya Art Lalabs, ikuan ipalangga ko diha sa ni kuan be ni John D. Bacos kay nagtampo jud na siya sa ako. Ay napug tampo-tampo pud. Sorry na lang ga Tita Inday love. Si Kuya Art kasi nang aano. Ayan. Nagtampo tuloy ang bunso ko. Palangga ko, John D. Bacos, mega shout out to you. Kuya Lalabs, ayaw sa kubiyae hahanton mahuman ko. Kuan na lang. Siyam na lang ka minutos mahuman na si Tita Inday. Sa sunod bitaw Kuya Lalabs. Basin ugma or sunod nga adlaw. Na ako ikuan tapos kabalo ko imo na sad kung katawan din na sa palingki kung na ako ikuan nga. Bantay jud ka nako jud promise. Kay na ambot na lang. Di ba? Nawala na sa Kuya Art Lalabs, asan ka na? Ba't hindi ka na nag-comments ni Tita Inday? Muna kong gibiyaan, no? Mega shout out sa 4 million people nga nagtambay sa bahay ko at sa nagbigay ng lansones ni Tita Inday, 6 na piraso na binigay sa akin. Salamat ng marami sa lahat na suporta kay Tita Inday. Thank you so much. Mga palangga ko. Kuya Art Lalabs, hindi mo to nakita, no? Yung ano ko, di ba? Ang galon ko. May galon. Ito yung ano ko, Lalabs Kuya Art, yung pinapatungan ko ng hand phone. Yung phone ko. Ayan. O, di ba? Si Tita Inday is ano sa talaga gagawa ng paraan para may mapatungan ng cellphone. O kaya ito Kuya Art Lalabs, 'di ba sa palengke wala kang mapaglagyan ng phone? Pag may makita ka na ano, galon, pwede ata yung like sa Coke, o 'di ba? Yung sa soft drinks, ayan. Iano mo dito. Putulan mo, ayan. O 'di ba? Tapos lagyan mo na butang niya og alambre diri ba, Lalabs Kuya Art. O ayan. So, ang or alambre pwede pud siya og kanang stick ra. Kana bitaw kahoy di are imong ano para dili mahulog ang cellphone pa kuan. So nana ka day mabutang sa cellphone. Ing ani Kuya Lalabs Kuya Art ing ana ang buhata. Tuon na lang ni Tita Inday kay para madali. Kay dili ka maminaw ni Tita Inday, agoy kusyon jud nako ni mong bulog, pastila na lang. Si Kuya Art Lalabs kay gibiyaan nako wa pa ko nang human, naapa koy kuan unom ka minutos. Imura ko gibiyaan Kuya Art Lalabs. Mega shout out sa mga palangga ko. Again and again, Tita Inday want to say thank you so much everyone sa pagpanood ni Tita Inday karon nga hapon sa akong LS. Tita Inday want to say Thank you so much everyone. Maing hapon sa tanan. Good afternoon everyone. Tatsia Oan. Tatsia Chai Chen. Thank you so much, Tita Inday. Want to say thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Have a blessed Sunday. Ingat tayong lahat and keep safe. Tita Inday want to say thank you and bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.